The oil maintenance light on your Subaru Forester reminds you to change your oil, typically every 5,000 to 10,000 miles. Resetting it after an oil change is crucial. Step 1. Park with the ignition off and key removed. Step 2. Turn the ignition to the on position, but don't start the engine. Step 3. Press and hold the trip reset button, located on the instrument cluster or steering wheel, until the maintenance light flashes, which takes about 5 to 10 seconds. Step 4. Release the button, then press it again multiple times, typically 3 to 5 presses, to cycle through options until you select oil or maintenance. Step 5. Hold the button to reset. The maintenance light will turn off. Step 6. Turn off the ignition and restart the vehicle to verify the reset worked. For models with touchscreen infotainment systems from 2019 onward, navigate to Settings, then Vehicle Settings, then Maintenance to reset the oil light directly on the screen. Always check your owner's manual for specific instructions, as button locations may vary between models. If the oil light stays on after resetting, it may indicate a sensor fault requiring professional service. Using an OBD2 scanner post-reset can help identify potential issues. Be cautious of draining your battery by leaving the ignition on too long during reset attempts. If you encounter issues, consider that Subaru's 2024 recall on certain Forester models due to engine oil leaks has heightened awareness around proper oil maintenance, emphasizing the importance of verifying resets. The trend is shifting towards DIY resets via apps using third-party OBD2 adapters for tech-savvy owners. Always prioritize high-quality oil, Subaru recommended 0W20, and consider professional oil changes to prevent engine wear, as resetting the light doesn't fix underlying issues.